Hi, Sergio. My name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you guys could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business over at Decorative Concrete. I work with businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. I've found that by giving people an easy, free attack plans of things that they could start implementing today to help grow their business, gives business owners their trust to reach out to me and still help them to grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and that the digital marketing strategies I utilize can help grow your business. Shoot me a message back or give me a call and we can set up a meeting to go further in depth. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free action plan that I give you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that you and your company can do to beat the competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is right away, I'm having some trouble accessing your site. I did some research and then digging into it, and actually your site's not even a secure site. So right out of the gate, that's one thing you could do to really help and correct something is just getting that secure site. A lot of the mainstream services such as Google, Bing, Yahoo Search have actually started implementing these algorithms and these program blockers to not let you access a unsecure site unless you go through ultimately more steps. And a lot of people, when they're searching for a service company, are not going to go through those steps. They're just going to hit back and go to the next company. So that's one suggestion I have for you. Secondly, I want to go over content. So content is king. When I typed in brick pavers Tampa, your top competitor in the area is right here. It's going to be Standard Brick Pavers. So I took their information and I plugged it into SEO Quake, and it shows me how many keywords they have. Now they're using 332. Unfortunately, I couldn't get your site to pull up, see how many you had, but a rule of thumb for Google is 1,500 words to be optimized. So as you can see, your top competitor only has 332 and they're still killing the game, so it would be easy for you to beat them and surpass them by just adding more words and keywords in the front of your page, which is the second part. Keywords, right? So keywords are what are searched. So if I type in pavers, there's a good chance that this site is going to pull up because one of their most used keywords is pavers. They also use Tampa, brick, standard, and a lot of other words, but these are their top used words. And if we look over here at WordStream for monthly search volume, I mean, brick pavers is being searched 22,000 times, paver installation almost 10,000 times, brick prices, paver setting, so on and so forth. So you can see the importance of being in those top keywords because they're going to drive customers due to clicks. And once you get the clicks, you get the customers, all right? So the last thing I want to go over is backlinks. So I was able to pull that up for your site. So you actually have a good amount of backlinks. But if we look here, your DR rating, which is like your domain reliability or your domain rating, is only a 2.3. This is out of 100. And we can look over here, and there's 8 with their UR of 16 kicking it up. So why would it be like that? Well, 59 and you have 146. So the only reason that it would be like this, and I looked at some of your backlinks, is that some of your backlinks are what are known as spammy, or the backlinks are just not given the rating or the value by Ahrefs and Google. So they derive basically off of Google and what Google looks at with their algorithms. So what this is saying is that when you built your backlinks in, or if you have an SEO company now, whoever built your backlinks is using spammy backlinks, and Google's recognizing that. So they're suppressing your level because whatever backlinks you're using are not trustworthy sites and don't have high values, whereas the sites that they're using do, and that's what's driving them to be at the top and have that higher URDR rating. So in short, what we discussed today were 4 things, really, even though I only said 3. The first thing is the easiest, and that's just to get your website to be secure. As I said, it's showing that your connection to the site is not secure, so you just have an HTTP as opposed to the HTTPS. Secondly, content. Content's king. As we looked, your competitor only has 332. Thirdly, in addition with the content, is the importance of the keywords. I mean, look at the amount of clicks right here that you could be missing if you're not on that top pages based on those searches. Lastly, we talked about link juice, And although you have a lot of backlinks coming in, which is important, you don't have that trustworthy backlinks. So what I would offer is to do some more backlinks, remove the spammy backlinks that you are utilizing, give you good, solid, trustworthy backlinks to help build your website up and build that trust back up and get you in the organic search list. So if you implement these strategies that we discussed today, you could easily be #1 across Google. And I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can go with the information I provided you today, grow your website on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. I'm all about building local businesses. However, if you want the most cost-effective route, want to save yourself the time and money, give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.